welcome to my channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with an elegant beaded bracelet, very cute beads. You would like multi-shaded long beads. We are making our bracelet with these beads. First of all, we have to pick 15 seed beads, 8 golden seed bead 8. We have to tie double knot here to make it secure. This is our clasp for bracelet beaded. We will make beaded clasp for this bracelet. Later on, at the end of this video, we will add its crystal bead 10 mm for this clasp. So we have started it. Now we are adding 3 more seed beads, passing through 1 seed bead 8. We have added 3 more seed bead 8, golden seed bead 8. And now we are moving ahead. This is right angle weave. We will add 3 more seed beads, golden seed bead 8. We add here. Now we have to proceed the same way, the same beads with same number. This is the starting steps. We are making a little right angle weave waist beaded part. Now we are adding 2 seed bead 8 with 1 seed bead multi-shaded 1 seed bead 11 in the middle of these 2 seed bead 8s. And now this is the next step. We are adding 4 long multi-shaded beads, crystal beads. These are multi-shaded crystal beads, long beads. You can say these are like tear drop beads. We have to add 4 each time. We have to add 4 long beads passing through seed bead 11, multi-shaded 11 seed bead. Now we are passing through long beads hole. Here we have to add 1 more seed bead multi-shaded 11 and now pass through long bead, again 1 seed bead 11. Here we add. We will make 4 little boxes of 4 multi-shaded long beads. Using these beads we will make little boxes, and in this way we will continue and we will add multi-shaded seed beads. And now we are adding 3 beads, 1 seed bead 8 plus 1 golden round bead 3 mm plus 1 seed bead 8. These golden beads we added passing through 1 seed bead to other side. Next seed bead 11, we added these 3 beads in the center of our beaded box. Now next step is the same step as we did in the beginning. This is also a box made with 4 long beads. We added 4 long multi-shaded crystal beads. Now after passing through seed bead, we are adding seed beads 3 more. We have to add 3 more seed beads here, one by one, between long beads gaps. Now we are adding 1 more seed bead 11 multi-shaded beads. Very cute color combination. I am making a very colorful beaded bracelet. I hope you would like its colors, combinations, and very sparkling look, colorful look of my bracelet I am making for you, my lovely viewers. I hope you would like it, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel, EasySaminJewelery. We have made 2 boxes, beaded boxes. Now the next step, we are making another box with 4 long beads with seed beads, multi-shaded seed beads, matching to these matching colors of long beads, seed beads. Now we will add one more, passing through long beads. We have to add one more seed bead, and we are passing through seed bead. Now we have to add here 3 beads, 2 seed beads at all, and in the middle of these 2 seed beads there is a round golden bead, 3 mm round golden bead. Now we are adding it. This is very easy, very quick bracelet, but very elegant. Its look is very elegant. Its color combinations are very cute color combinations, and very easy to make. It's very light jewelry, light to for my viewers who like light weight jewelry, so they would like it. This is not very heavy bracelet. This is very lightweight but very elegant. We have completed our boxes, and now we are adding seed beads in right angle weave stitch, as we added in the beginning of this bracelet. Now we are adding same like our beginning steps. We are taking these steps. We are adding in right angle weave golden seed bead etto, and now you can see this is complete, almost complete. Now we have to add here one clasp bead. This is crystal bead, button bead, you can say. This is like button bead with holes, and this is golden, in golden shade crystal bead, 10 mm. We are adding 3 seed bead in its start and 3 its end, and total 6 seed bead we have added with this golden crystal bead, and this is added as our bracelet clasp bead. So we have beaded for this clasp bead a circle of 15 beads, as you see in the beginning of this video. Now we are making finishing knots, and making after finishing knots we will trim the thread. So we'll trim the thread. Now it's ready. Our cute elegant bracelet is ready. It's very quick and it's very elegant. It's very easy to make. Even beginners can make it very easily, as my channel's name is EasySaminJewelery. So I always try to make easy. I always try to bring easy projects, so this is not difficult to make. I will say bye now. So I hope you would like it. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.